As Black Business Month comes to a close, we want to introduce you to a woman who's developed a marketplace for diverse brands.
Oh yeah, Candy Carter is a veteran producer who has created magic for some of the biggest shows on television. Yes, we're going to name drop. There she is right there. With Oprah, she worked on the show for 15 years.
So it's no wonder that she's created a platform that showcases Black-owned businesses. It's called ShopRedBag.com, and Candy is here to tell us why it's not just a store, it really is a movement.
It is a movement.
And it makes it easy. Good morning.
It absolutely does. So we started ShopRedBag.com after the Target boycotts because I was online and I saw all of these businesses and businesses that we work with that were going out of business or getting dropped from major retail or not able to get into major retail. And the big thing that I saw online was, where are people going to find us now? How are people going to find us? I knew I could build a store because this is what I do. And so this is our solution. ShopRedBag.com has diverse brands, women-owned brands, Black-owned brands, veteran-owned brands, disability-owned brands, LGBTQIA+. And so we want to be a community of communities supporting each other.
This is about directing your dollars to the companies that align with your community, your values.
And making it easier to do so, because so many times people might say, oh, I want to support a Black-owned business,
how do you
but
do it?
Where do I go? How do I find them? How do I make sure? And so you guys do that work for us and make it easy. As you saw, we had on the screen, shopredbag.com, so you can see what the website looks like. And it's easy. You search for different items and you click.
Absolutely, yes. And I'm actually wearing, this is an outfit that's in shopredbag.com. Very affordable, so check it out, but I love it. It's so cute.
Oh, yes.
Right. Yes.
Let's start with back to school, though, because that's what's on everyone's mind.
Back to school. So we have a great band, Epic Every Day. These are beautiful backpacks with ethnic colors. I grew up in New Hampshire. I never saw myself on anything. So this is beautiful. And it has various shades of folks on here. It's beautiful for your kids. You can still get it in time for school. My kids don't go back until after Labor Day.
So you got the backpack, the lunch
Oh,
pack.
look at that. Look at the straps.
Yes, ours was
really
adorable.
nice.
We're showing some of the items, but go to shopredbag.com. There's lots of items there. We have Afro Unicorn. So this is founded by the first Black woman to own a licensed character brand in major retail. So she's got Afro Unicorn, she's got sheets, bed sheets. This is so perfect for your children. Like You is another brand. So this is a brand where the founder actually went viral because she was dropped from Target. And so we decided to put her in the store. Like You is great games for the family, for your kids.
And
it's
what is
wonderful.
it? What kind of game is it?
Well, they're cards.
Okay.
Yeah, so card games.
Conversation.
Spark conversation.
Okay.
Yeah.
These
These are great. These are great for adults. If you're having a little drinking night and friends over, you'll love it.
And there's some for teens, I see.
Yes. Now, somebody in your studio already claimed this. Puzzles of Color.
Wait a minute. We were claiming stuff? Yeah, I didn't know.
So Puzzles of Color, she has a Kendrick Lamar Puzzle of Color. She does celebrity Puzzles of Color, but it's really, really great. This is good for vacations. It's great for at home.
And what's on this one?
I can't see who's on there. Who is it?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Isn't it beautiful?
Though.
No, they're stunning. They're stunning. And a lot of the ones are original artwork, which is great. And one of the things I say about all of these diverse brands is that everything is unique. It's organic. It's really well thought through. It's just not mass produced, so you're getting better quality.
Hello,
and what's the price
sunshine.
range on some of these too?
It starts at from $7.99 all the way up. It's very affordable, but I will say we have to be very conscious in how we shop. And for smaller brands, you're not going to get stuff same day for $2. It's not happening. But we have to be conscious about where we shop and what we stand for.
And about how long does it take then when you purchase for it to arrive?
3 days on average. So I'd say 3 to 5.
Not too bad. All right, let's do a speed round.
We have a long
table.
table.
Go fast. Domo Inc. These are original art pieces. You will see these art pieces and things on the sets of Insecure, Netflix, music videos. They did a collab with the LA Lakers. Incredible brands, you guys, incredible founders. I don't want to forget Vontel Eyewear. We have great eyewear for kids. Look at this. I think there's a SpongeBob or something down there. This
And
is,
even the box is so cute.
look at this. This is the Flip. The Dwayne, remember that?
Oh,
Yes.
yeah.
From a different world.
Different
You're
world.
going back on that one.
So they're incredible, and they make the glasses for ethnic faces.
Love
wider.
that. Okay, we keep it
candles,
moving.
home stuff.
I'm
Look at the
claiming the
candles.
candles. Just wanna let everyone
Beautiful.
know.
We have Jared candles from April Ryan, White House correspondent. We have Lomar Farms. They're honey. We have these beautiful candles that look. These are great. They look like Sundays.
Smell great.
Dojo. Look at this. Smell this cologne.
Is that what I smell?
Deliciousness.
Remember I said somebody smells amazing as I
that
walked
smells
in.
good.
This is Sage Rose. We have items for the home. Isn't this beautiful?
That
It's
is nice.
stunning. We have auto care. So the whole idea, right, is that if you are boycotting Target, right, you can come to Shop Red Bag and get your essentials and the things you need. We have, this is for your, there's a whole car care thing. bamboo toilet paper.
Bamboo toilet paper?
Yes,
I gotta
bamboo
feel
toilet
this.
paper.
Yeah, how soft does that feel?
It's soft.
I'm curious.
Look at this bed scrunchie, also claimed by somebody in your studio.
Everybody
This
just
makes
got
your
to work.
sheets like
Raise
really
your
like a
hand if you
hotel.
claimed this.
Right.
It was
If your
fair.
sheets are slipping all over your bed, these are wonderful.
Okay.
Coffee. So we have black coffee. This is by KJ Smith and Sky Black from Sisters
Oh,
and
yes.
All the Queen's Men. And then
On
we
BET.
also on BET.
Once you
Smell
go-
it. It has holes in here so you can smell the coffee. Isn't that
Oh, that smells
delicious?
good.
And then we
Packaged
also
in Atlanta.
have, yes, Ezra Coffee. So Ezra donates money for scholarships. For
Okay, we
college
really gotta do a
students.
speed round
We're going
now.
super fast. This is in booze. So you soak this with alcohol for 3 days, and then you get a pitcher of great booze. Check out the popcorn. Batoy Sweet Treats, Tony's Hot Sauce, Kyvan Foods. Taste this. This is like all great ingredients. That's a salsa, so good. And you have this barbecue sauce. It's coming up on
Oh,
the
the salsa's so
right.
good.
So
That
these
is
are the
delicious.
essentials that you need. Actually, why don't you try this? It's
Okay.
so delicious.
How spicy is it?
Batoy Sweet Treats, caramel cheese mix. You know this from Chicago. She already mixed it in the popcorn. You don't need two separate things. She's competing with these major brands, and the popcorn is absolutely delicious. You have to try it. Socks. So here you go, Fitness Snob. These are all trendy. Don't you love these? And Cloud Socks, no-show socks. Amazing. These are my favorite, by the way.
Okay,
I wear
I'll
these
claim
for
that.
golf. They're amazing. And then Black African American Expressions, largest Black-owned greeting card company in America.
And this is just a little
Bags.
sampling of all that's offered on your
So
site.
much good stuff.
Where can people find you again?
ShopRedBag.com. You are supporting founders. You are joining the movement. Tell everybody, let's do this. Let's reinvest.
Thank you so much, Candy, and thank
Appreciate
you
it.
for all
Thank
the goodies.
you.
We appreciate it. Okay, we're gonna explore more of these. Take a break. So this bamboo.
I'm getting the candles and boxing them up.